Man la usnem kashitarik urisao la jutep kerpang yaka hasat la keri kum kesngi ban ai mon sngopa yakasna neka National Voluntary Blood Donation Day kabahakum gani kesngi la jule burom kerpang ru yakitu kibriu kabejukloy nakapor shakapor ban wan shakmat ban no senyang telaka jong kaman sopa yalaka jong kasnam kejeng rakhe ka bakerpang ikum gani kesngi kalong bakasnam kadi ka wei ni kilat kabala pan khanglat ya ka jingdo eno jongki minsim brio ke bedon kam kerke bhaya ka hagapor pawan banling shop kapang ka sitam ha ka jingim ka jongki kapang preng jong jing rakhe ya ka ni ka sngi menta ka snem ka long donate blood voluntarily and contribute to the fight against corona pa dailing ba ka ni kapang preng balakwa ban kintu pat pan ai minsim ya ki khon samla pakin wan chakmat ban yarap banno sngopa ya la ka jong ka snam ban long kum ki nong khun pursha ya ka khlam jingpang corona habai dei bat kani ka migla age control society rengkat ke jing trailang bat ka jing sing samla balang presbyterian morai nongkwar bat ka migla state blood transfusion council klai shimbanta shirham ban rakhe ya ka ni ka sngi ka bakarpang ne ka sngi Hakani ke jingalang la donlang Dr. R. Alia, Project Director, Meghalaya AIDS Control Society Shillong, Dr. C. Bodna, Member Secretary, Meghalaya State Blood Transfusion Council, by AMS Kharsati, Chairman, Jingiseng Samla Presbyterian, Maurai Nongkwar. Hakani ke sngi, Usampat Kumar, IAS, Commissioner and Secretary, Health but Family Welfare, Jongka Sarkar Jilla, but Shantanu Sharma, IAS Joint Secretary, Community and Rural Development, but CEO Joka Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society, APD Meghalaya Basin Development Authority, Jonga Sarkar Jilla, Kilawan Chakamat pan Aiso Bhaya la ka Jonga Snam, kum kadak ka jingis no aktilang ka jongki yakane kasngi ka bakarpang.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. R. Alia. I am the Project Director of the Meghalaya AIDS Control Society. Now today, the 1st of October, it is celebrated all over the country as a National Voluntary Blood Donation Day. And this program, we have been celebrating this program since the year 1975 here in India. And this day, basically the National Voluntary Blood Donation Day, the main aim is to raise awareness about the importance of safe blood. That is blood which is free from any infection, especially the infections which can be transmitted from blood, especially like HIV, hepatitis B, hepatitis C, syphilis and malaria. Also, we also want this day to raise awareness about voluntary blood donation. Why voluntary blood donation? Because people who donate voluntarily, we have found that they are the safest source of blood. We have seen in the blood banks that the blood which are donated by people who come on their own without any expectation of any benefit, whether it is financial or otherwise, is usually safe from these infections. Also, we have to ensure that there is adequate stock of safe blood in the blood bank so that the patients, they can get blood at any time, when they, especially in times of emergency. We also want to appeal to everyone to please come forward to donate blood voluntarily, especially in this pandemic where there has been a drop in the number of people who've come to donate blood. Because of the fear of coronavirus, we need more people to come forward to save lives. Remember, 1 unit of blood can save 3 lives. Now the theme for this year is let's all contribute, let's donate blood voluntarily and contribute to fight against corona. How can we fight against corona through blood? As we know that there are some patients, COVID-19 patients, who may require blood, and for them, the blood, the plasma which is needed for them has to come from COVID-19 recovered patients. That's why we need also the people who have recovered from COVID-19 to please come forward and donate your blood voluntarily. At the same time, as I said earlier, there are many people now who usually used to come and donate blood in the blood banks, but now I think because of the fear of coming to the hospitals or to the blood banks, they do not come anymore.